Rajat Balodi. I am studying in class 11 science in Kendra Vidyalaya, Raipur, Dehradun. Today I am here to present you all my model. My model name is Causing Bugs Bridge Problem. Causing Bugs. Causing Bugs was situated near Perigal River in 18th century in Germany. Nowadays it was situated in Russia. In Causing Bug there was two islands which were connected by the seven bridges. One a day in the Causing Bug, the people who living there were trying to walk around the town in such a way that they have to cross all the bridges once at a time, but it seems to be difficult. Then the people of the causing box went to the Euler. The Euler, which was the Swiss mathematician, were doing his service in the Russian Empire. 1736, Euler proved that the work cannot be possible in bridges in such a manner. He proved by inventing a new diagram which he known as network. Let's go to the model which I will explain you this problem in the model. Now in the model this is the Perigal river and it is the first river bank and second it is the first island and second, and there you see these are seven bridges number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the people of the calling bugs were trying to the walk on the bridges in such a way that they have to cross only one bridge at a one time. Number one, they went to the this bridge side and come out the this bridge side, and then they walk and come in this side and come out from this. Then they go to this and they cross this, but then they have to cross this bridge for reaching this, but they does not make their a certain criteria that they have to be proved that they want to be walk at a once time at a bridge. So the Euler said it is not possible. If it is possible, then when there is one bridge is missing. As you can see, there are four dots which name as A, B, C and D. The four dots represent the two islands and two river banks of the Gothenburg, and these are bridges which were connected by the two islands and two river banks. As you all know that these are the vertices and the lines are connected to the vertices. The Euler gives it new term which we know as nodes. The nodes are written by the numbers. The numbers we can write as the vertices, the lines which connect to the vertices. In A, there are three lines which connect to A point, and in B, there are five lines which connect it to B part, and at C, there are three lines which connect to the C, and D, it is three lines also which connect to the D. This term is known as nodes. As you all know that the problem was that we have to move by each bridge at a once. First we move from here and then here and here and here and then here and here. But to comes to this bridge we have to cross this at once again here to reach here. This is a problem of the bridge. As the solution of this problem are in two cases. Number one case is that if we take the two odd nodes and other nodes are even, then it can be solved easily. Here there are two odd nodes and A and at C, and rest two are at even. So first we have to move from A, then we go to D and move to C, and we move to B side and then from to A, and then from A to B again and again B to C. It can be easily proved that if we take two odd nodes and other two even nodes, then we can see that its problem is solved easily. By this, we can say the next also the same case is there we take our There we take two even nodes, uh, then we can easily solve it. First we have to move from here and then A to B and B to C, then C to B again and B to A. So it can be easily so that in the second case, if we move from same point and to the second case, it can be easily shown that if we have to move from A and we have to reach to A again, then it has to be takes two and more than two even nodes to solve this problem. It is known as the Euler circuit, and the first one is known as Euler path. Thank you.